Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Final Fantasy XVI game crashing on startup or crashing problem on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam library and then click on your game. I don't have the game, but trust me, I will show you the solution that will definitely fix your problem. Then click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now here in the launch option, just type the -DX11. Guys, once you type it, just launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then click on the gear icon again. Go to your game properties. Now here in the launch option, just type the -D3D11. Guys, once you type it, just launch your game and check your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, which is the crashing or startup, then go to the properties again. First, completely close the game, then remove the launch option, click on the start files, click on the browse option. Now here you have to just locate your game launcher or the exe file of your game. Now right click on the launcher of your game, then go to its properties. Now here go to the compatibility and now just check this box of the compatibility mode. And after that just choose here the Windows 8. Then also check this box of the disable full screen optimization and also check this box of the run the program as an administrator. And after all of these steps, then click on the apply, then click on the OK, then just close it and launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then the next solution you need to apply. Why this happened? Because a lot of processes is running on your PC background. Right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Now here you just need to close all the background processes. If you will see the CPU or the memory is above 90%, it means it's the danger symbol and you just need to close all the useless background application from here. Then go to the startups and guys, here you will see all the background application. So when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing the lot of CPU or the RAM usage. So when your CPU or the RAM is more using, so your game is crashed. So what you need to do is just disable all of these applications, then simply restart the PC. And after the restart, simply launch the game and this will fix your problem definitely. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply lower your graphics setting or also lower your FPS in your game and then launch the game. And I hope this will fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and I will see you guys in the next one and bye bye.